change that traffic? Sorry, I'm gonna be doing this.
It's all good. They're just figuring it.
Okay. Yeah, it's right. Just hold what you've been playing up to the next part. I'm gonna repeat.
Just trim some of the back end off and.
Hold that last note up to the next one. It's like cutting off just a second.
Sound good.
That bass pattern is going to determine your bass kick.
Shit. Pauses on the dun 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 dun. All right, let's try it again. Hang on though, let's get a better feel into that heavy part. So I'm doing the dance beat. What can we do? So we need something cool, man. Of gold, but the spirit ran dry. Dust on the pews, ghosts in the choir, empty words and a flickering fire, stained glass cracked by the weight of the lie. Crosses of gold, but the spirit ran dry. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. I will here in a minute. I got someone in my face. Empty words and a flickering fire, stained glass cracked by the weight of the lie. And a flickering fire, stained glass cracked by the weight of the lie. Empty words and a flickering fire, stained glass cracked by the weight of the lie. Crosses of gold, but the spirit ran dry. Ooh, let me do that again. Crosses of gold, but the spirit ran dry. Okay. Crosses of gold, but the spirit ran dry. Not locked inside your hollow throne. Yeah, I like that better, actually. Not locked inside your hollow throne. Not locked inside your hollow throne.
I heard you right there.
Not locked inside your hollow throne. Not locked inside your hollow throne.
The old school way, excuse me.
Let's get it up to my level.
All right.
Revival. Look. All right. All right. Revival. Revival. Oh shit, dude. That's fucking crazy, dude. Revival. Yeah. Hey.